This is the weekly sales flyer app called Flip. It shows you the sale flyers in your area where you live. And it also has coupons for the stores that you shop in your area. Let's take a look. Trader Joe's, Costco, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, Winn-Dixie, Target, Publix, IGA, Home and Garden, Pharmacy, General Merchandise, Electronics, Fashion, Automotive Flyers, Sporting Goods Flyers, Pet Flyers, Office Flyers, and Specialty Flyers. Let's go back to groceries. Scroll down to the bottom here where it says Browse, Coupons, Deals, Search, List. Hit Coupons, Walmart, pick a coupon, your Crest toothpaste, $1 off. Load your card to select a card. Okay, now that we got coupons there, here's deals. Search. Want to search for toilet paper. There's all the places that have toilet paper on sale in your area. Want to search for a store? Walmart. Scroll down and find the Walmart flyer. Check out the Walmart flyer. Go back to coupons, Walgreens, pick out your coupon, Pepto-Bismol, 50 cents off. Load to card or select. Pets, Pet Flyers, Pet Supermarket, Petco, PetSmart, all the stores in your area. Let's do a search again. What could we look for? Green tea. Oh, here we go. We found 2 sales with green tea, 2 for $5. Let's click on it, see what happens. There we go.